Sure enough, Hurricane Matthew has strengthened since the last update, which was at 2 a.m. Winds now sustained at 125 miles per hour. This puts it at one of the upper echelons of Category 3, teetering on a Category 4 hurricane. You can see a very well-defined eye that's now just about 50 miles south of the capital of the Bahamas, which is Nassau, and roughly 12 to 24 hours out from really impacting the Florida coastline. So all final preparations need to be underway. If you're going to evacuate, you should be making that decision right now. This is the latest warnings. Brevard County northward towards the border of Florida and Georgia. That shading of red indicates our hurricane warnings. The probability of hurricane force winds increasing as the moments go by for that Atlantic facing seaboard of the Florida Peninsula. But of course, what is so crucial here is that miles matter in terms of the exact path of that eye wall, which contains the strongest winds. Let me explain. Come to this 3D graphic. You can see the exact path that the National Hurricane Center has with Hurricane Matthew as we speak. But any deviation inland, about, let's say, 50 miles, that will take the strongest winds inland with it, so impacting Lake Okeechobee, perhaps into Orlando. Let's say the storm path is 50 miles east of that. That brings the strongest winds offshore, and that will spare the east coast of Florida the most direct hit from Hurricane Matthew. Needless to say, this is a formidable storm. Here are the threats: damaging winds and storm surge, the major concern.